Hello everyone, today I want to share a real problem. My younger brother is class 6 Madrasa student. Sometimes he reads a lesson but he still cannot understand. Sometimes he reads a lesson but he still cannot understand it. He also wants to use AI but he does not know how to ask a good question. Because of this, he gets wrong or confusing answer. So I create AI Madrasa Tutor. This is not just a AI chatbot, it's work like a private teacher. The student upload textbook first. Then even if the question is not written properly, the AI try to understand what the student really means and gives a simple answer from the textbook. Now let me show you. I ask what is first chapter. The AI find the answer from the uploaded textbook and explain it in very simple way. See? After that, it can also create a quiz from the same lesson. The student can answer the quiz, check the result and see learning progress. Parents can also see if progress report to know how the student is doing. This project is built with Google ADK, multi-agent architecture and MCP tools to make learning easier and more reliable. My goal is very simple. I want every madrasa student to have a AI madrasa. I want every madrasa student to have an AI teacher that is patient, easy to use and always ready to help. Thank you for watching. If you want to build this AI agent, you can check my GitHub repo. I have shared the project description and documentation there. So you can build your own version from it. Thank you.